well, the OPTIQ was helpful because I feel like I was able to get more work done since like there's not really, you're writing a lot, you're just writing the big stuff, and I'm not just answering questions that the teacher wants. I'm answering I'm putting my information down based on what I need to remember and stuff to get my point of view out based on it.
Yes, this graphic organizer was helpful because it helped me get the gist of the pictures and only to see the important information in it so that I wasn't looking at the stuff that wasn't important and I got the main idea of the pictures. And like what Sabrina said, I got to write what I wanted to write and what I see instead of like what the teacher wanted me to exactly look for.